out here in Boulder City, and there's some bighorn sheep that always come to this park, so it's pretty common to see them here. So let's take a look at them. The Blackadder and I are out here at Lake Mead National Recreational Area, and we're about to go on the railroad tunnels. It's an old railroad track they used in building Hoover Dam to move materials out to the dam. And there's the Blackadder, 299.2 miles on it right now. It says we are there. Maybe we should do some of that today too, I don't know. It's about 95 degrees, so it's pretty warm. It says it's 100 over here on this digital readout sign. So you gotta respect that heat in desert. Historic Railroad Trail, that's where we're going to go. And we are there. Alright, I guess these gates are closed at sunset. Can't have fun anymore, huh? Oh, do not hike June through September. It says it's fun to do this trail on bicycles and walking. But like it said, June through September it can be really brutal. So. I could see a glimpse of the marina that they have to keep extending further out into the lake as the lake continues to drop. There's the marina down there. Cool vantage point up here. So the movie, I can't remember the name, The Gauntlet with Clint Eastwood was filmed out here. The helicopter chase scene. He and Sandra Lock are on a motorcycle and a helicopter's chasing them, and it was filmed on this trail. This is a cool, easy, not even half-day trip, like a 3-hour trip from Vegas. Oh, this is new. It's a container, I think. I got a duck on the Blackadder. Up we go. Oh! All right. Okay. That was new. Should be a good view here. Oh yeah, there's even a bench you could sit at. Lake Mead used to actually come out here and go swimming years ago. I think people still do. I don't know. So, but now with the lake level lowering, they're finding bodies and such out there. So. It's nice how there are people out here. On your left, folks. Thank you. I have never been further than this point, so let's see if we can do it. On your left. Hi. Thank you. Ooh, the trail goes down some... Oh no, it's a ramp. Let's do it. Picnic bench right there. Wait. 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 I bet you this is something that will be easier going up. I'm the only one in this top level parking structure. Alright, we're about to ride the Blackadder into another state. This used to be free and more covered than it is today. You know, you get no respect on a motorcycle, so it's going to be even worse on a EUC. Just expect it. That one is a pretty big one, so that can go about 100 miles between charges, and it goes 55 miles an hour.
55?
I don't do it, but it can.
I was going to say 55.
Yeah, that's too fast for me.
Yeah.
There used to be fish down there. And you feed them with popcorn from over there. Alright, let's get across the dam again, back into Nevada. Oh, there's the bridge, look at that. So we gotta take the elevator up to 5. It's always a way. See that? No model aircraft. No corgis. But I like corgis. Well, you have to get a picture at 300. And we're at 305. We're on the Vegas side, Nevada side. There's the bridge. Might try to go up there. Let's see what happens. A lot of people up there. Oh my god, we got to go back up the stairs with the switchbacks. This is pretty narrow and steep. Cool though. It's been cool to ride out here by the Grand Canyon, by Hoover Dam. That was fun. Made the first one. That was good. There we go. Up. Cool. Welcome to Nevada. Inside Nevada. Everybody's snaking their way up. So I could ride it, but it's too busy. Maybe I'll come back at like 6 a.m. one morning and try to go up that. There's a line for the restrooms. Okay, we go left. Nice and cool in the tunnels. Out here, not so much. All right, up and through. success. Nice view, huh? This has been my morning at Lake Mead, Hoover Dam, Boulder City area. Really nice, pleasant area to come to. So if you're in Vegas and you have a half day to spend, definitely come out to Boulder City. There's some great restaurants out here. Beautiful views of Lake Mead, and of course everything to do with the Hoover Dam. You could spend a day at the Hoover Dam or 20 minutes, your call. But do that bridge too. Cool. You could get all the way to the dam. Sure can. Oy, rock. Echo, 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 echo. All right, Hoover Dam on a 100-degree May day, 2024. Awesome.